Okay, let me go to here. This is all this same which we have seen. Next, what is the less command? Less command
to see content page by page, sir.
Yeah,
Line by line.
correct. It will display the content of a file on screen at a time and allowing you to page through it. Okay, so last 10 lines default, last 10 lines it will display. For example, I will take one example. Less cars 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so last lines it will show, last lines. Okay, I want to control C, excuse me. One second. So I want last two numbers. Okay, so you have to use, it's moving, yeah. Okay, for example, this is for last lines. Okay, so and so name, which is name. Okay, cars, in this perspective cars, we have seen last lines of this. So if we go next, this is head, last top 10 lines. If you want to see top 10 lines, you can go with this hand. Last 10 lines you have to go tail in the sense it end of what in animals we have tails, right? That is backside. Okay, so last less in the sense it will show the last lines. Okay, head in the sense top 10 lines, it is default. Okay, default top 10 lines it will show. Less tail in the sense last lines it will show, specifically last 10 lines will show. But if you want to particular number, you have to use -n and you have to show your number, whatever number you want. Okay, and we'll see one by one. Okay, see head, 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 cars, and -n, last three numbers. See this, we got last three names. Okay, the same way I'll show here tail, TAL, tail. See this, these are all. Okay, if I want to see only one, you see here nothing is there because first line is space, empty. Also it is taken, it is there, but it is a space. Okay, I want to use for 2, this is second line. Okay, and I need 5. Okay, so like that you will get it. Okay, and coming to this is finished. For example, if I want to use without number, tail, cars, so everything tail in the sense last 10 lines. See head, for example, head.
Sir, then tail and less both are same, right, sir?
Yeah, tail and less in the sense tail you can specify the names, numbers. What for specify the if for example second line you want, you can mention. Okay, with your doubt I'll try. Okay, less -n 2, you got it. The same I will show, TAL, tail,
What name you not mentioned, sir?
-n what
Cars.
Okay, cars -n 2. This I'll change with less. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 last lines it is taking default. Oh yeah, and the same I'll use same for tails. Guys, 1 second. Tail cars -n 2 it is shown, and less I'll try with the same with the less LESS, but it is not showing last two, right? 12 last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 last 10 lines it is showing like this. Okay, for example, if I use tail specifically, I need second line, last two. Okay, so this you got it right. Okay, cat cars. So what we got? Tail cars -n 2. What we got? Korean so and so, this, in the sense this one, right?
I see. And the space.
Yeah, and also space also taken, including space. So be careful, space also you should not give more spaces, it will also calculate. Okay, next, sort command. What is the use of general name of sort? Searching and sorting, you know na? In engineering you
Yes,
might
sir.
have seen searching and sorting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so what is a sort?
Basically arranging in an order, sir.
Yeah, correct. So here the sort command is used to sort the lines of text files, okay, in alphabetical or numerical order. That's it. Okay, let me try sort cars. See this, guys. Let me open the main file. See, earlier the names are like this. Okay, after using sort it is sorted. Okay, next, for example, so 1 second. See this, guys, C after E after H after K after N after T after T, right? Both are same category T, so that's why it is shown same order. Okay, this is an order. Okay, next, this is user creation. So have you used earlier users in Linux?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, to create a user. So in AWS also we have seen users, right? Users, groups. So the same concept will be here. The same concept, same users, same groups. Okay, so to create user, you have command is called useradd, and also whatever the user is, username. We'll try. For example, user add Yashwant. Okay, let's see this. Do we have user? So what is this is the way, these are all files. If I want to find user, what is the command? Pass wd
ID is one. Like we can use ID is one.
Oh, 1 second, please. One second. It is struck. It is struck, guys. I will use something wrong. Okay, control data, control X. Yeah, fine. I want to see users. Okay, I want to see users. Okay, where exactly? This location. Copy, paste. See, these are all default users. Okay, these are all default, which it is came from OS kernel. Along with the kernel we got this. Okay, so, but we also created some user, right? And also while
last is there.
yeah, so and this Tomcat, whenever I installed the Tomcat server related user it is. Okay, and this whatever I have created this, which means if you type directly pass wd, it will take password for creating the password for so and so root user. Okay, but guys, I'm intentionally doing mistakes. Okay, so for suppose if you want to use cat, see this one, where it is, yeah, cat means read the files, where it is etc. Your users, whatever the groups users will store in etc. Okay, where it is in etc? It will be in top level root directory. Okay, this one.
Yes, sir.
So next, so for suppose I will create another user add Sham, user add Lokesh. Okay, you can see here cat etc pass wd. See extra 2 which I have created, see this. Okay, this one also you can see by using this command. Next, group creation. So guys, we have a groups, right? It's the same concept.
Yes, sir.
Already I explained you earlier. So groups, whatever groups in AWS also we have users and groups. So one second. Okay, so okay, this is my institute. Okay, this is Python, this is Java, and this is AWS. Okay, and this is DevOps. Okay, you guys are related to AWS for suppose. Okay, so how many? For example, Yashwant is there, and Sham is there, Karim is there, Lokesh is there. So these are all guys are related to AWS team. So AWS team in the sense it's one group. Okay, so if they are not related to Python, if they are not related to Java, I can't keep them in other group, right? This group is specifically is related to AWS. So I want to make them in one group. I want to make them and I have to assign in particular group. For example, if I type AWS, so all AWS related people I can see. Okay, all the whatever the group which I created, the group related I want to see. So all you guys will see here. So this is. So if I want to create a group, what is the same command? Just you need to mention group. Okay, I want to create AWS group. Okay, AWS group, it is okay, DevOps is there, group add AWS. Okay, so can I use this command? Sudo group add DevOps. I have also used this. Paste. 2 groups I have created. Let me see. No. Guys, tell me, anyone important? I'll show you. Can you see, guys?
Yes, sir.
Earlier it was different. Now just whatever password is there, that password we have seen. We have seen our
Yes, sir.
users. Okay, to see. Okay, I'll also update this. CD. Okay, so let me use this command. Paste. So these many groups I have. See this? You don't know. I did not create all this group, but it is defaulted. This one I have created. These. See? These are all I have created. Okay. And see, from here all these things are related to kernel. Okay, whatever, all related to kernel. And let me try to go. See this, guys, by using groups you can see this is one group. This is not group, this is not group. You can also see the users. Okay, you can also see the users by using this command, and also groups, particularly groups. Okay, next, hard link. Guys, what is the time now? Guys, shall we take shall we almost it's 10:30 we have started, right? Or 11? Yeah, 11.
11:05, sir.
So we'll continue this class next class. Okay, so remaining whatever soft link is there, hard link is there. Okay, tar.gz, yum wget, and also see permissions, related to permissions. Okay, so a lot of concepts I have made. Okay, I prepared all these things, and also a lot of concept also pending to do. Okay, set command is there. Okay, so there are still I am preparing it. So next class we'll continue with this soft link, hard link. Okay, and some other commands related to permissions. Okay, umask related. Okay, this is umask related. Okay, and what are the permissions, what are the ch mode. Okay, ch owner, group related. We are creating groups. Okay, we are creating users groups, but we have to give the permissions. If you want to give the permissions, how? So we'll see in next class all these things. Okay, so I'll update you about timing and all, because I was occupying with the calls. Okay, so that's it, guys. So
Yes, sir.
for today, for this class, so I will update you next class at exactly what time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please do more concentration and do more practice every day. Continuously you have to do practice on this. Okay. So if you get more examples, if you find examples, ChatGPT, you'll get lot of examples. Okay. From there itself you can find all examples. You can practice there itself. Understood? Okay. I'll see you in next class. Thank you so much thanks for joining. We'll see you. Bye bye. Take care.